Hi everyone, it's Ardith, and I'm excited to be here at the Hedgehog Hollow, trying something completely new for me. This month's kit has these Artesprix markers, and they're really neat. Basically, you color on computer paper, and then that paper becomes an iron-on. I was excited to get started and decided to try working on a tote bag. I taped the stencil to my computer paper, and I used one tip of the chisel tip of the black marker to draw my outlines. I turned the stencil and drew 4 more to create a daisy. I took a second to clean the stencil and I had no trouble getting the black marker off the stencil with a baby wipe. Next, it was time to color my flower. I went in rainbow order starting with red. I had hoped that the colors would blend in the little overlap areas between each petal, but they didn't really. Another thing I noticed was that at this point the colors were really quite muted on the computer paper. Even the black was pretty gray. I added a daisy center by using the black marker and a circle die. Once the coloring was finished, I took everything to my ironing board. I don't normally film in this part of the house, and I set my camera mount on the ironing board to get close enough, so this footage is a little jiggly. I reread the instructions on the back of the box, including the temperature and timing for the iron, and then I simply pressed it for a couple of minutes. 4 things I noticed here. Number 1, I burnt it a bit. I wanted to be sure to get a good transfer, so I think I kept going a bit too long. Number 2, you can see the marker strokes in the finished product, so it's good to try and make them as pretty as possible. I tried to use long strokes going in the same direction. 3, the edges weren't as clean as I wanted. Next time I'll either center the design or I'll work more on the edges where the fabric is doubled up. And 4, but wow, aren't those colors vibrant and cheerful? This process was really easy and fun, even for a first-timer. I'll be back soon with another project for you. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.